Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos and you're in Digital Marketpreneur. In this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new and you have not subscribed yet, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And in this video we're gonna talk about how you guys don't do any work but you still can make money online. Now I know it sounds crazy. You guys are probably saying, Carlos, how is that even possible? You know, you always mention affiliate marketing, you gotta do a little of this work on the front and then you start earning commissions. This is a completely different strategy that you guys can actually start applying today, and you guys can start making money online from home and you're literally not doing any of the work. I'm gonna jump into my computer so I can show you exactly how this is going to work. Okay, we're on my computer, guys, and I mentioned this website before and we're gonna go back to it, and it's called ACX. Okay, and what this website does is turn your book into an audiobook, and these are sold in Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Okay, and what this do is they hire people that are doing voiceovers, and then they read the books and then they make them into audiobooks. Now the biggest thing is a lot of these people that are actually creating books don't have the time or just don't feel like actually sitting through hours and hours after writing the book for so long and create an audiobook. So they actually outsource this right here. Now this is where you come in, and the reason why I tell you this is quick story about how Russell created the book Traffic Secrets. And when he created the Traffic Secret books, he didn't want to outsource the audio. So as he spent almost 2.5 days, 3 days reading the entire book that he just took a whole year to write. And he was exhausted, but he wanted to do it himself. Not everybody's like him. There's people that just don't want to do that, so they outsource this. Now you're probably saying, Carlos, I'm supposed to be reading the book. You say I'm not doing any of the work. Okay, this is what you need to do. We are gonna go into what it says, are you an actor or producer? And you're gonna click on find a book for your voice. Okay, and then you are gonna go into compensations. Okay, within the compensations, and when you're getting started, you know, just to get a feel of it, you're gonna go with the 50 to 100 and 100 to 200. You're gonna click on apply. Okay, and this is going to bring 464 titles to match. Okay, so we are gonna look for let's see, indoor plants. Let's click on that. Let's see what that one says. Okay, so as you can see, the project budget is between 50 and 100 when the entire thing is done. Okay, so you already applied for this, you get the budget. What you need to do is you are going to outsource the work. Okay, this is what you are the middleman for, and this is what is called drop servicing. One of the places that you can go is Fiverr. Fiverr.com. It's a website for freelancers. There's a bunch of them out there, but this is the one that is more commonly used. What you need to know is there's people from all over the world giving their services on this website, and you can find somebody that can do this type of job for a lot less than the project actually costs. And this is where you actually start making your money by actually doing no work. You're making money online because you are finding the project, but you also finding the person that's doing the project for a lot less money. And that's the idea behind this. As you can see, they have something right here, popular. It says voiceover. We're gonna click on that. Okay, and then you are going to start looking for people like 5-star. They start at $10, starting at $20. You know, we'll record quality first-class professional female voiceovers. Okay, we'll record a dynamic American professional voiceover, and you can actually go and talk to them and see if they can or want to read the book for you, and tell them this is the project that I have. I will record an American English male voice over today. and then he starts at $10 an hour. So what you need to do is you're gonna go here, you're gonna go and apply. You know, sometimes they want auditions, so you can actually do this, right? Download the audition file, you know, and right here is the information. You take this, right, and then you're gonna click on this, we're gonna click on this, you go back to Fiverr, and then you take that and you give that as a sample to someone, so this person can read it for you, and then you know if that person is good. You can actually talk to a few of them and see what the rate can be, right? You can negotiate with them. So you can also go to voice recordings, and then you see that there's people $10, $25, $5, starting at $5, right? So you need to see how much the project is, and then you guys can split, you know, the final cost of the entire thing with them, and that's how you guys going to start making money online. You can go back and start looking for other projects that are a little higher in price once you have a name for yourself in these websites. We're gonna go, let's see, we're gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on this. See how to attract women. You can actually have a woman, and as you can see, this is 50 to 100, and it's only an hour and 80 minutes. So you can actually have someone doing this for $25 because it's only like an hour to read the book, and that's how you guys going to start making money online. Okay, there's people from different countries, and you know their rates are a lot lower, and that's how you guys are going to start, you know, producing money without actually doing anything. Because if you really think about it, all you're doing is you're looking for these projects, and you are actually finding out who can do it for a lot less. It's a very simple strategy, guys. It's not that hard, and these are the websites that you guys can actually go look for this. Now, in the next week or two, I am going to be releasing my free affiliate marketing course, but I'm looking for 5 people to have. In the next few weeks, I'm going to release my affiliate marketing course, but I want 5 people to go through it first. So if you're interested in being one of those, like this video and go down to the comment section and enter free affiliate marketing course foundation. I'll contact you so I can get your details and send you the link so you guys can have access to my affiliate marketing course. I want to help as many people as possible. I want to road test it first to make sure that people understand the concepts, that they actually do realize that this is how this works, and then I will release it to the public for free. So with that being said, guys, I really appreciate you. I will see you guys in the next video. Do this strategy. It's very, very simple. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next one.